can't. I'm based. I'm gonna bleed out.
Where are you?
I'm coming back.
Oh, are you dead?
No.
I'm about to die, man.
Alright, when you're here, I'll...
Long way, right?
No, not really. It's 3 minutes. When you're here, I'll heal you or something like that. Oh. Wait, the Rayman. Wait.
Oh.
Rayman's gonna come also.
I can't. 30 Robux, please.
Wait. So now, there you go. Oh, I see your helicopter.
Yeah, I was up. I died.
Oh. Evil! Alright then. Are you playing, sir? Wait a minute. Are you playing, sir?
I'm a new survivor.
Oh, survivor, I bet. Alright, so we'll find you. I bet.
Your friend's stranded in the city?
Yeah.
Oh.
My friend died, right? And now he's he can't pay for the thing to turn into the what is it, the worker? The military person, so he's playing as a citizen.
Right.
So
Okay.
hopefully we find him.
We have to save him before the Grinch finds him and rips his legs off.
Yeah, he's so dumb. I told him to follow me, and he didn't follow me at all. He just started wandering out.
Anyone else see a ketchup packet like fall out of the helicopter? What was that? Santa, was that you doing?
No, we don't
He lost me.
Are you guys in a Discord call?
God, I hear it too.
Yeah.
No.
How's he doing?
Are you guys in a Discord?
Oh, sorry, did someone just meow like a cat?
9:30. Bro,
Boys, we got a food.
Throw that there, by the way. Throw that there.
I'm going to blow up this helicopter. I can hear your Discord.
God. Oh, Trabajan.
he fell. No way he fell.
Thank you, Santa.
Playing Wizard 101.
What's he playing? Hooper.
Playing Wizard 101.
Bergs, what are you playing? Oh, Bergs, you know what came out? Rio came out.
What?
And Blackhawk, not Blackhawk. And Blue Watch.
Oh, it's something big.
It's so good.
I have
Rio's good, bro. I like Rio. I know, I'm playing this game right now, the morning game.
Oh, tonight.
Do you guys need gas filters?
Uh,
Who needs filters?
this guy probably does. I don't think he has a gas mask. Oh God. Dead does not have a gas mask. Oh, there's one near. Dad, if you can get this gas mask, it's in the back of this car. You're gonna need to put it on really fast. After that, you're gonna want to grab one of these. Here. You put it on? Okay, grab this filter. Behind you. It's behind you. Hurry. Grab it. There you go. Okay, now you can walk in here. Oh, fudge. Alright. Empty gas mask filter.
Wait, where's the other guy? Where'd he go?
Oh, he's behind us. I had to get him a gas mask. There he is.
I had someone come into my room.
Alrighty.
You better watch out. You better watch out. Now it's
But compared to nothing,
I have something really like.
no, because in nothing, like,
Oh my god, I get it.
something and you don't lose.
Be careful down there. The sheepdogs here are well armed. There's a lot of them. Evil down here. Down here, Evil. Over here. Ah, you found evil enemies down here. Come on. Alrighty. Nope, it's still coming.
I'm dead, wallah.
Hold on, Santa.
Santa, are
What
you
the-
okay?
No, wallah.
I don't hear him.
I got him, I got him.
No, he's not.
I'm here.
I mean, I can't. I don't do anything, bro. I'm broke.
Oh god. You scared me there. You scared me.
Y'all are eating my vitamins. I'm so slow.
It's
I'm
okay.
so good and wrong.
No, it's a lot. Alright, let's go. The zombies are here. It's so far away.
Yeah.
I will just do something really quick. I have a key. I have a key. I have a key.
Oh, there's that survivor. Apartment key.
What is 15?
You're far away, it's far away, Charlie. Got you.
Which one is 15? Oh, it's 8. Oh my god. Please don't do it.
I don't got the ammo for that thing.
Tell me when it's over there.
No way, you just hit me, bro.
This
That hurt. almost down, bro.
Oh, I'm so heavy.
Good.
Man is weak.
Okay, that helps. I'm very much new to this game, so.
Yeah, same, bro. I'm pretty new.
Alright.
Traveler, you good?
Yeah. Yeah, he's. I hope he is good. He's kind of far away.
Oh, lag. What is this lag?
Oh, phone's kind of far, bro.
Yeah. So is Santa.
The server's being routed to Mumbai.
Keyboard. This. Okay. Nearby. Yeah, ammo.
Oh, you're behind us.
Yeah.
I see a lot of zombies, I think. I'm not sure. It's a lot of them.
Still have gear.
There's a lot of zombies here.
Yeah, there are.
Yeah. It's fine though. Yeah.
Oh, you might want a gas
Yeah,
mask
okay.
for this part.
Oh, yeah. Do you have a gas mask?
Yeah,
You don't have
I
one.
need eight.
Whoa. I have one. I'll give it to you. Hold on.
Why was that guy eating so much ammo?
Aha! Oh no. Hey, Evil, is that guy still with you? I found a gas mask.
Oh, gas mask. Yeah, we need one for my.
Where are you guys?
Oh.
Oh, I see one.
Hey, who has the gas mask? Who has it?
Where's the bucket hat guy?
Here. Right here.
Here's the gas mask. I found one filter. You might have to find some more. I can give you one of the high grade ones too. There you
I
go.
have more actually. Focus here.
There you go.
Here, filter. I got you.
Thanks, bro.
Yo, here.
Yeah.
Filter. Take it. Turn to your right and you'll see a filter. Now you're good.
Santa.
Do you need ammunition? Do you need ammunition?
No, I'm doing good on ammunition, Santa.
I have so many ammo boxes. I have literally so many.
It's a good squad. Okay. Oh, there's some root there, I think.
Look out, Lana.
Jeez, my ammo got wasted. Bugs. Let's check for ammo though. Yeah, one. Oh, look at this gun. Yo, you want a gun? Go on. There's a lot of guys here. Like zombies. We need help. Actually, never
Do
mind.
you need ammo?
I'm kidding.
Do you-
Okay.
Two. Four.
Wait, guys, I need help. Don't worry, you're gonna. I lied. It's not much. Oh, that's not normal. Someone.
Hey, so long, bro.
We gotta go, bro.
Hell no.
Holy shit!
Yeah, there's a lot of guys here. We need help. We need help, guys. We need help.
Driver, we got problems. We just woke up in the nearby nest.
There's a lot of them. Oh my god.
I am dying.
Hang tight. Where are you?
I can't find this for anything, bro.
I'm in the middle of it.
I'm coming.
Yo, on the fence.
We got you. Wait, hold on. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
What? No.
He's dead?
Oh. He had to hold down space. That's all he had to do.
Hold on, please.
He's already dead.
No way.
Oh. Dead's dead.
Crazy. You got a lot of root though. I can't lie. I'm taking this though. Sorry, not sorry. So much root though.
It wasn't boxes.
Right out go.
Yeah, I guess you can loot the body.
All good, bro?
It's a good amount. Dang. And this backpack is with ammo too.
Let me loot him.
Thanks.
I'm just taking some ammo. Yeah. All needs ammo. That's basically it.
Wait, the hell is this?
How did he die?
Brutally
He
looting.
just died like from. He just like from the horde.
He forgot to hold down space. He would have lived if he held down space. Oh my god.
Yeah, actually. That was pretty dumb. Oops, more zombies here. Oh, we should get out of here. It's getting there night. Yeah, there's a lot of guys here. Okay, what's the place we go to? Why are you taking off his...
We looted his corpse until there was nothing but bones.
My bad, I'm playing the game.
Why do you guys take his clothes?
I know that.
Oh.
Yo, it's close. We're gonna die here. Let's go.
Vitamins? Does anyone want vitamins? Do you want vitamins?
Why are you still staying there? Oh, the place. Come here.
Drabu.
This way. It's down there, the exfil. Hold on. Just one zombie.
Here's some zombies, bro.
We're chilling, I think. How many are there? I can't even see them. Not much. Okay, not bad.
What's that?
Oh, someone else came. The logs on me, I can't lie. Come out of nowhere.
Yo,
Drabu!
follow me.
We lost one of our boys.
You better watch out. You better not.
Honestly, I say we stake it out, take it out the highway, Horde. It's probably gonna be my last run for the night.
No, we're gonna go in
I'm
this
just saying,
building in
I'm tired.
front of us. Oh, get inside, quick! Get inside!
Oh my lord. It's not that bad though, compared to Wolf 4.
Where's Fallen going?
I don't know.
Now what do they have?
Let's go. Any for you?
Huh. Honestly, I would have thought they would have found us by now.
Wait, he's forward. Not gonna have fun.
Can you jump down here? Can you jump down here and survive?
No, he probably can't.
Yes.
Really? It's kinda hard.
Yep.
Oh my god. I think he's dying.
No, no, no.
Did he fall?
Yeah, I found it.
They teleported.
It's invisible. It's really invisible.
I cannot get down. Get down.
How do you leave?
They lie down.
If we go down the street, we can probably find a horde.
Yeah, we're like right next to one.
He
I
was.
see it. It's down the street. Why did you throw a glow stick at me?
The real horde is there. I don't even see a horde at all.
Like, if we push further down, we could probably find it. I'm down to hunt them down. To be honest, we got like 8 men here. Although maybe 7 after that guy jumped off the building.
Yeah. Wait, I have an idea. I'll do some like gateways to wait charge.
I survived.
Horde.
I'm good.
We're gonna go sit on the highway. Oh,
Oh,
What's going on?
Never mind.
Oh, not bad.
I get them all.
a single one. Fallen's down.
You help me, guys. Help me.
Fallen's down.
Fallen has fallen.
The streets are so empty.
Let's go.
No one's right now. Yeah, not much here. Oh, I'm kind of low. Wait. I need healer.
Here, I got you.
You got me? Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice.
The heck is the horde? I don't understand.
How much of a horde here though? It's so empty.
Oh, Fallen is dead. Fallen is dead. Fallen is dead.
I don't have any vending though, but.
Oh shoot! Fallen!
Yo, I can drag it. Oh, he's dead.
No!
Yo, fall and dive, bro.
No.
I didn't realize that, bro. Down. I locked in. I can't, bro.
Don't hate me for it, Fallen.
Are you looting Fallen?
No. No.
What does he have in his loot though? What does he have?
Oh my god, he had so much good stuff.
I need this.
So much silver.
I don't know why he had so many gas masks.
He's got a lot of stuff in his belt, which is pretty good.
Can't use any of it.
What? You feel good, right?
I feel good. Do 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 do.
Santa and the gang are looting Fallen's body. It's the most horrific thing I've ever seen.
What happened?
Santa and the gang are looting Fallen's body. He had a lot of 9mm on him.
Why are they looting his body?
I don't know.
What the heck?
They're saying his stuff's really nice.
Jesus.
Oh, poor Fallen. I don't even know what killed him. Santa, are you still looting Fallen's body?
Yeah.
No,
Why?
Of course, no.
Santa.
Bro. Empty now.
Oh my god,
Leon,
Santa.
dog.
Why would
It's
you
empty, bro.
Why
do
y'all stripping
this?
this man naked, dog?
Oh my god, Santa! You did not need his clothes, Santa! Oh my god, you took his shoes!
Yo.
We took his shoes.
Bro.
Oh man. Oh my god.
Oh, he left.
Oh.
He's getting late now.
No, he left. He literally left.
Oh.
Let's go now. Let's go to the
Yeah, good.
Oh, he's SMG.
Yo.
Good.
Guys, there's nothing left to fall in there. I don't even know why you're still looting him. Get up here.
Alright. Let's go, guys.
I'm on my way. Why am I so slow? I didn't take. I
Oh,
didn't take so much.
Someone's here. Yo, Dex, someone's here. We gotta go.
I need to get my VC back. Back.
I didn't take so much. I didn't take so much. I just took a couple of things.
Yeah, it's whole thing, bro.
No, it was just a couple. I didn't ace gun and ace.
Never mind, let's do it. Let's go. Our godball done, guys. That was pretty good today.
I think we lost like 3 men.
I'm putting sleep. That's pretty cool. Alright, now come on, I got a suit now, bro. Adios in like 2 minutes.
Okay, I keep staying, bro.
Oh my god.
Alright, see ya. I will go down.
No.
I will go down. I'll see y'all.
Yeah.
Does anyone need ammo boxes?
I'm gonna go, bro.
Oh, okay. See you, Santa. Take care. Here, let me friend you, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, Sparrow,
Yeah?
where is he at? Where's Evo?
I'm ready.
Did
Nah.
everybody just leave?
Yeah, we're calling it. I'm calling it too.
Yeah, I might as well.
Yeah, we've been on a while.
We've been on. Yeah. And that was
Uh,
fun. I
Yeah, it
enjoyed
was.
that.
Alright. Well, you take care, Drab.
You too. Till
Okay.
next time.
Yeah.